Hello everyone, this is Alex from Swoosh English. I am here in Kerala in a city called Cochin in India, and I am with two lovely nurses. We've got Anu and Apu. Can you introduce yourselves very quickly? Tell everyone who you are and where you're from.
Hello, I'm Anupriya. You can call me Anu. I'm from Thrissur and I completed my BS in nursing from Government College of Nursing, Thrissur.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aparna. You can call me Apu, and I'm from Alapi. I'm also a nurse.
Fantastic. So thank you very much for introductions, and we've actually, Swoosh English have delivered an OET class today for not just Anu and Apu but many other nurses as well, and it was great to have so many hard-working, motivated nurses going through our class, and we even did a surprise speaking role play. We did an OET speaking role play where nurses played the role of a nurse and then a patient and switched roles. So very quickly, Anu, what did you think of this role play and did it help you?
Yeah, of course it helped me a lot. And this is for the first time I'm doing a role play, and I acted as a caregiver and she was the doctor, and it was really nice experience.
How about you, Apu?
I had a great experience because it was the first time I got an opportunity to interact with a caregiver and a nurse, and I got an experience how to do in the test. So I'm grateful to this coaching.
Fantastic. So if you are looking for more OET materials just like Anu and Apu, they're going to go to our website swooshenglish.com. Make sure you go there. Go to our YouTube channel. We've got lots of videos for you as well. And I keep saying to people, I want more excuses to come back to India to meet amazing, motivated nurses like this, and we look forward to helping you as well. So let me know whichever city you're in. We are going to many cities here in India helping lots of nurses just like Anu and Apu. And lastly, let's say bye to all of the people on Facebook. So greetings from Cochin.
Bye.
Have a good rest of the day wherever you are.
Okay.